How do you make volume keys and mute key work in Xmonad? I am new to Xmonad, just installed it yesterday, and since I have never used Haskell before, I found configuration a little bit confusing for me. I got somewhat made Xmaba and Treya work, but I have no idea how might I make multimedia keys to adjust volume. Can anyone help with that? Additional question, how do you manage your volume in Xmonad? Do you use Tray icon or other things like that? Here is my Xmonad configuration.
Use Zev and tap the multimedia keys to discover their names. One might be xf86xk_audiomute. Then look at the contents of /user /include /x11/xf86keysum.h and look for the name. On my system, xf86xk_audiomute is 0 by 1008 ff12. Drop that where you would put a key in your config file. It might look like this. Cut. A mixer will set your volume. The 0 replacing mod 4 mask allows you to tap the multimedia key without holding your mod key.
See this graphics.x11.extratypes.xf86 for keys you want and add to your config file.
If you're using Pulsudio, Pactel also should work. Zero is sync ID. Pactel list short syncs will show sync list. Will show current default sync. You can use sync name instead numeric ID. Double dash tells this is not option like H, just value to Pactel.
If a mixer set master 2 does not work, try a mixer depulse set master 2 instead. Also 2% and 2% plus will change the volume by 2%, which may be easier to use. You can test these commands in the terminal to adjust them to your liking before you put them in Xmonad config file.
If you want to support the show, please consider subscribing.